Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to create this look, so if you'd like to check it out, just keep on watching. To start off, I had already primed my face with Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm then going to use the L'Oreal Pro Glow Foundation, and I'll be blending that out with my Real Techniques sponge. For concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on my forehead, and I'm going to blend all that out. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Coty airspun powder, and I'll just be applying that with my damp sponge. For contouring, I'm going to use Benefit's Cheek Parade palette. I'm going to take the Hula Light shade and contour my cheeks, my temples, and a little bit of my forehead and jawline. If my contour is too low or I just want it to be a little bit more sharp, I always use this technique. I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow to shape and fill in my brows. To set my brows, I'm going to use the Essence Brow Gel. For my transition shade, I'm going to take the color MFEO and blend that all over my lid. I'm then going to go in with the shade Puder to darken it up a bit more. Going in with the shade Buns, I'm going to place that on the outer part of my eye. Taking a clean brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. With a smaller brush, I'm going to take the color Roxanne to add a bit more color to the outer V of my eye. After that, I'm going to take the clean brush again just to blend everything out. With a more rounded brush, I'm going to go in with the color Jax, and I'm just going to add that on the outer V and blend everything out again. For the inner part of my eye, I'm going to add the shade Creamsicle. Using a flat shaded brush, I'm going to go in with the shade SBN, and I'm just going to add that all over my lid. With a smaller brush, I'll be taking the color Chip, and I'm just going to blend that on the outer part of my lid. With the same brush, I'm going to take Hunts, and I'm just going to add that above the crease. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just blend everything out. Then I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Infallible Super Slim Eyeliner. And I did want the end of the wing to be a little bit softer and smoked out, so I went in with the shade Abby's, which is just a basic black shadow. I'm then going to be going in with the black eyeliner, and I'm just going to be adding that to my waterline. With a flat brush, I'm going to lightly smudge out my eyeliner. I'm then going to add Creamsicle on the inner part of my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to take the color Chip and add that on the outer part of my lower lash line. I went back and added hunts in the middle part of my lower lash line for a pop of color. Once I'm done curling my eyelashes, I'm going to add the Ardell Wispy Lashes, and I'm just going to blend my real lashes with the fake ones using the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. For blush, I'm going to be using Nars Orgasm. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the color Precious Petals. For my lips, I'm going to be using Revlon's lip gloss in the shade Supernatural. And this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for watching.